Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nazun Nurfazria Sanjaya. I'm from class 8D. This video, I want to review film Komang. Enjoy for watching.
The story is romantic genre, and this film tells the story of Raim, a man from Buton, who fall in love with Komang Ade, a woman from Bali. They love and care for each other, but unfortunately, there are several reasons why they can't be together, one of which is their differing beliefs. This film is based on a true story. Raim and Komang's love story took place in early 2014 in Kendari, Southeast Sulawesi. The characters in this film are 1. Aurora Ribeiro as Komang Ade, Kiesha Alvaro as Raim Laude, Cut Mini as Raim's mother, Ayu Laksmi as Komang's mother, Azano Devama as Arya, Ari Kriting as Boy, and Resya Putri as Komang's sister.
Nama saya Raim Laude, saya dari Wangi-Wangi, cuma saya tinggal di Bau-Bau. Jadi mana yang benar ini? Saya ini wangi atau bau kah?
Aku penasaran deh dari dulu Laude sama Waude itu apa sih artinya?
La itu la ilaha illallah dan wa itu asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Kalau kamu artinya apa?
Anak ketiga.
Sudah, itu saja. Saya tuh kalau lihat laut itu pasti teriak mimpi saya terus. Saya pengen Jakarta, pengen jadi musisi di sana.
Tinggi sekali mimpimu. Kalau punya mimpi setinggi itu, nyalimu juga harus lebih tinggi dari itu. Jangan cuma sependek tali jemuran.
Kalau kau bagaimana? Kau punya mimpi?
Bikin ibu bahagia.
Nah, kan dia ke Jakarta. Namun dia serius ya, Komang kalsium gede emang. Nak mau andi udah gitu, enggak ganti berubah.
Adik, kalau mau ketemu yang lebih baik, saya tidak akan melarang.
Kamu kita putus.
Mungkin itu yang terbaik.
Ibu sudah terima lamaran Arya. Ibu nak benci sama Raim. Tapi hubunganmu sama Komang itu nggak mungkin terjadi.
Aku belum bilang apa-apa. Emang dia bilang dia mau serius tapi aku belum terima.
Terus kenapa tidak kau tolak adik?
Kenapa aku tolak? Kalau emang kamu mau bahagiain aku, kamu yakinin kalau kita bisa sama-sama.
Meme lakukan ini karena Meme ingin yang terbaik buat kamu, Bang.
Sejauh apapun saya melangkah, tetap kau yang menjadi ujungnya.
At the beginning of the film, Komang was watching stand-up comedy with a man named Arya. While watching, one of the men who did stand-up comedy caught Komang's attention, namely Raim. A few days later, at a bazaar, Komang was selling that. He was approached by Raim, who happened to be there too. After chatting, Raim finally got up courage to ask for Komang's phone number. The next day, Raim immediately asked Komang to go for a walk. Komang accepted Raim's invitation. They went for a walk and start to get closer. That's when they start dating. A few days later, Meme, Komang's mother, turned out to have witnessed Raim and Komang's relationship. And Meme did not agree. Meme preferred Arya because Arya had the same religion and good job. Without thinking twice, Raim immediately accepted the offer from his friends to take part in a competition in Jakarta. Long story short, Raim went to Jakarta with his brother, namely Boy. There, they were greeted by old Maman. Meanwhile, Komang always watched Raim's stand-up comedy on TV. In between his stand-up comedy, Raim was also writing songs. He likes and is good at music. Maman knows about Raim's other talent, yaitu musik. Maman introduced Raim to a music producer, Natasha. Due to lack of communication between Raim and Komang, there was a misunderstanding between the two. A few moments later, Raim failed in a stand-up comedy competition, but his manager Maman advised him to focus on music. Eventually, they met again with Natasha, and Raim showed her his Universal song, and she liked it and told him to record it as soon as possible. Sometime later, Raim turned to Bau Bau due to a sad accident. At the time, Raim met Komang to talk about their relationship. At the time, Komang asked for certainty from Raim, and Raim assured Komang that he could be successful and make Komang happy. Afterward, Raim came to Komang's home to meet her mother and asked for her blessing and assured her that he could make Komang happy. And to find out the ending of their love story film, please watch it on Netflix or other movie platform. That was a brief explanation of the film Komang. I recommend this film because it's romantic and tells the story of love story between two people, different fights, who love each other equally. I'm sure this film is suitable and especially for young people because this film is based on a true story and made into a song and title is Komang. This film has a rating of 5 stars. Thank you for watching my video until the end. I hope this has piqued your interest in watching this film Komang. Thank you.